day 3 and we are just out for breakfast. Yesterday we got so tired after being in Dubai Mall. Oh my god, I don't think I even vlogged that much in Dubai Mall because I was just in awe of like looking at everything, and I actually didn't end up shopping anything because there was just too much and I was just like soaking everything in. Right now we're just having breakfast. So we are in the last exit. Yeah, so we're on our way to Abu Dhabi and we just stopped to charge the car a little bit, grab some coffee. Oh my god, it's windy. I think there's a sandstorm coming. It's hot, it's windy. It's like really burning my face. Should have carried like a scarf or like a cap or something, nah? Look at Ma. She was like, I'm not getting out of the car. So I forced her out of the car. But this place like themed on Mad Max. If you guys have watched that movie, that's what this is based out of. Everything is like in that theme, you know. See, look at this building. Look at this Starbucks. It's all Mad Max themed. Got some pizza for lunch. That smells amazing. We are at Papa Murphy's Pizza at the Global Outlet Village. So just fueling up before we go shopping. Mama is busy taking videos of the seagulls. The restaurant Salt is really nice. You can see the Burj Al Arab. We're on Kite Beach. Mama is loving the beach. Got some tea. Mom, me and Salman, we're chilling in the beach. It's so nice. Look at the beach. So pretty. Middle of the desert. My mom is traumatized for this. Oh man, that was such a bumpy, drifty ride. Mama? Huh? How was your ride?
Oh, Papa.
मम्मी गलती से भी नहीं आएंगी वापस. मैं हंस रही थी. We're out here watching the sunset. How was your sand dune ride?
Wow.
Now it's wow. And then it was. We just got done with the drive. It was crazy, a really unforgettable experience. I would really recommend it. I mean, it is worth a try like once. It was very scary at first, but then eventually it was fun. Good morning everyone. We are on our way to Dubai Mall again because the last time we were there we didn't see the aquarium. We were really tired, walked too much. So today we're finally going back again and trying to finish that because we already have the tickets and I've heard it's beautiful. This is so beautiful. I love this. Look at all the sharks. It's like you're scuba diving. Wow. I just had a mini adventure. I had gone shopping in Sephora and I forgot my camera there, and then I went to Mall of Emirates and realized that I don't have my camera on me. So I came back running and now I have to go to the marina because we have a yacht tour arranged and I have to make it there on time. And I thought I wanted to like vlog my shopping in Sephora, but I couldn't because I couldn't find my camera. But the people over at Sephora were so nice. They kept my camera safe and I got it safe. And I have it back with me again. We're at the marina, about to go on to a yacht tour. Today is our last day and we are at Global Village, which is this amazing place which is like a melting pot of all the countries in the world. Everyone has their own specific areas and you can go shop. And yeah, we are just passing Pakistan. We came from Turkey and I see so many shops. This starts at 4 in the evening, so you can plan your day accordingly. We're entering UAE. We want to buy some oud, so I'm just looking for a nice place with oud. The stores in UAE are so nice. Lots of perfumes, abayas. Really pretty abayas. Look at those colorful ones. Some pickles. You know what Global Village reminds me of? This is like Delhi Hut, but like global version of it. Really nice. You guys should definitely visit here. Such a fun place. Especially just going into every country's stalls. Today was also our last day in Dubai. We are at the airport. We made it like really early, so we had time to check out the duty free. Now we're just waiting to board our flight back. I'm so sad that we're leaving. We had such a fun week and cannot wait. And we could barely even finish Global Village because, you know, we thought we'd be late. And we barely saw like 2 or 3 countries, so we definitely need to come back for that. And we also missed out on Miracle Garden. I really wanted to take mom there, but we did not get time because in the day it would be really hot to visit the garden, and in the night we had gone to like different places, so we barely got any time. But yeah, we are waiting to board now, and I'm actually really happy to go back home too. I miss my cats so much. I cannot wait to see them and hug them. Mama, are you ready to say bye?
Bye bye Dubai. Please say goodbye.
Did you have fun?